Hey, I'm Jamie Deen back in Mama's Kitchen today. Happy Memorial Day. Memorial Day is one of my favorite times of the year when we can remember those that have served us and helped us. It's also a time for our families to get together and get outside. Although I say outside, this is an outside recipe, but we're doing inside today. Y'all look at this. I got to get these in here. I've got 1/4 of a cup of butter that I've melted. I'm going to saute these onions down. We're doing French onion burgers today, which means sauteed onions, Gruyere cheese, some delicious ingredients going in our burgers today. This is going to be a pretty boring video though if y'all sit here for 30 minutes while I cook these onions down. I want to get y'all excited and ready for today. Wait until you see how these brown up and cook down. Caramelized onions, French onion burgers, y'all. We're going to do them inside today. Can't decide, do I want to do them in a pan or if I want to do them in an air fryer for you today. That's a reason to stick around. We'll cook these onions down. Y'all come back and let's see how we're going to do our burgers today. Look at our onions cooking so good, y'all. That's going to take longer than everything else. I've got some ground chuck right here. We're going to put in some a beef bouillon cubes, the powder. We got 2 of those. We've got some garlic salt. And I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. I'll cut this recipe down a little bit because it's just a couple of us here at the house today. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper too just because I got to. Okay, and I'm going to mix this up so y'all know when you're doing your burgers, you don't want to over mix them because they'll get all goopy and gross. So minimal mixing here. You know, when I'm doing burgers at the house, lots of times I put fresh cut onion into the burgers, but not today. I'm probably going to do 3 of these out, y'all. Let me get rid of this. Okay, so for these 3, since this is pretty easy, just doing 3 of these, I'll go ahead and separate them out. Probably, I don't know, about a 1/3 pound burger. So I'm gonna patty those out. Y'all look at these onions right here. Ooh. When they start looking like hash browns, that's when you know you got it going right. Okay, I got our 3 burgers out here. My pan's preheated. Just gonna press them down. I like to press the center a little bit flatter than the edges because it's gonna, instead of turning into a hockey puck, when it draws back up, it'll come flat. Just a little bit ditching there in the center. I'm going to cook these. I'm doing them inside. We're doing them in this pan. You can do them in a cast iron skillet if you'd like. You can do them on a grill. You can do them in your air fryer. It's easier for me. And I do them this way a lot inside. So these are going to have to cook for, 5 or 6 minutes on each side. And while we're waiting on our onions to finish, we're going to put all this together in just a few minutes. Are y'all hungry? Do not leave until we eat these burgers. French onion burgers, y'all. See you in a minute. All right, y'all, we got our burgers cooked. So now on top of this, I'm going to put a nice little dollop of this Gruyere cheese. And I know I'm going to lose some, but it's going to look really pretty. And I'm going to cover that. Let that melt for 1 minute while we feast our eyes on our onions, y'all. It takes some time to caramelize onions, but it pulls so much flavor out of it. Look, y'all remember what we started with? Now that is just compressed onion flavor cooked to perfection. So we've got our bread here. When I was younger and I used to do hamburgers, what I'd do is I would put them all back I'd take them out, I put the burger on, and put it back in the plastic bag and kind of let it steam a little bit. Then I started building, like my friends called it, the meat locker, where I would line the burgers up this way and wrap them in tinfoil. So it'd be almost like a log of burgers so they could steam. Or you can butter them and you can grill them. Or you can do what Teresa and I are going to do today. You could raw dog them. We're eating them cold out of the pack. These are nice and soft, and that's good enough for us. My cheese is melted a little bit, enough for me to put these together because these onions are really hot. They've been cooking for a while. Now, if you'd like to put mayonnaise on these burgers, the recipe does call for mayonnaise on the bottom. I just told Teresa I don't want to put mayonnaise on these. I want to taste onions and cheese and burger. So let's see, I'm making a mess around here. And on top of this, let's put our caramelized onions. Ooh, wow. Y'all know? Do you know? I hope you like onions. Golly. Takes a little bit of time, but there's nothing in this world worth having that comes quick or easy. And we'll top our little burgers like this. What do you think? Isn't that pretty? It's got more and more, like, I like yellow mustard. I bet you a little bit of yellow mustard would be good on there. Let's see. I'm gonna cut this burger, this burglar. Where's our knives? We will cut this in half. Kind of like my burgers done. So mine are normally done like medium plus. Don't want to overdo them. I worked with a buddy in college that would throw a hamburger patty on the flat top grill for about 10 seconds and then he would eat it. That was it. Can't say for sure if he graduated or not. Let's see. Pretty good. That's a lot of flavor in there. Y'all see that? All right, I'm going to go in. When I tell you that burger, that was fantastic, y'all. This is a delicious burger, and I know that Teresa's going to be angling to get over here and eat hers too. This is good, y'all. We wish you a very good Memorial Day. We think about those that served us, and we think about those that are left behind, and we think about those around us. So take today to enjoy and remember everyone in your life and enjoy some good food with each other. I'm Yummy Deen. See y'all around the kitchen. Sorry for talking with my mouth full.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.